The HomeWorks Project. Kelvin Alston, Michael Anderson, William Keech. David Gates Esquire, Senior Attorney, Pennsylvania Health Law Project, and Kim Dolan Esquire, Staff Attorney, Regional Housing Legal Services. Kelvin Alston, Michael Anderson, and William Keech have a lot in common and shared a dream of living independently. With the help of Pennsylvania Health Law Project attorney David Gates and Kim Dolan, an attorney with Regional Housing Legal Services, their dream became reality through an innovative model independent living project they named HomeWorks. From the outside, it may seem like an ordinary ranch-style home in Marion, Pennsylvania. But HomeWorks is no ordinary house. It is a groundbreaking success in independent living for 3 men with significant disabilities and a model of public-private collaboration. Michael Anderson and Will Keech both have cerebral palsy. Each had lived on his own in college and still wanted that independence. Kelvin Alston has spina bifida and lived with his aging father. The families of all 3 men worried what would happen when they could no longer provide care. The 3 families began to brainstorm. What if they could find a house near public transportation in a neighborhood with sidewalks where these men could live together, pool resources, and share attendant care? The concept for HomeWorks was born, a home for Alston, Anderson, and Keech. In contrast to the traditional model of providing for people with disabilities, the idea for HomeWorks came from these 3 men. The families then got together to find a way to make the dream happen. Funding and financing the house was just the beginning. David Gates, a longtime advocate for individuals with developmental, physical, and behavioral disabilities, used his knowledge of community services to advise the group on the ownership structure and much-needed home and community-based support services. David's dogged determination to forge new ground in the face of many obstacles was essential to moving the HomeWorks project forward. Kim Dolan used creative problem-solving skills coupled with expert legal advocacy to help Anderson, Alston, and Keech forge a new independent living model. She assisted the HomeWorks clients in creating a workable co-ownership structure and microboard, the framework necessary to help the clients manage and coordinate the services they receive in their new home. With the HomeWorks financing package complete, work began to make a comfortable and accessible home for the men. On a January morning in 2008, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, they were free at last, living independently in their new home with round-the-clock attendant care. For excellence in advocacy on behalf of the disabled and forging new paths to independent living, Michael Anderson, William Keech, Kelvin Alston, Kim Dolan, and David Gates are presented with the 2009 Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award. The HomeWorks project was nominated for the 2009 Plan Excellence Award by Mark Schwartz, Esquire, Regional Housing Legal Services, and Leonardo Quello, Esquire, Pennsylvania Health Law Project.